Today is February 26th and we are ready for the springtime. It was a little bit warmer today, so we decided to go to an area we had heard some friends talk about. It's called Ogashira Shrine and it's in Hatsukaichi. Hatsukaichi is a city located in Hiroshima Prefecture, which isn't too far from us. There's a trail that leads to a waterfall and we thought that we would do a little hiking and see what we could find. We found this small waterfall at the base of the shrine, but we're ready to do some hiking to find the larger one. Our kids enjoyed stopping to skip some rocks along the water. There are always public bathrooms along the trails in Japan, which is one of the many things I love about Japan. It's nice. It's in the sun.
Yeah, for real.
We were only a few minutes into our hike when we found the waterfall that we were looking for.
Tis the season to be jolly. It's not even December yet.
It does feel nice. It's like the first glimpse of spring. After finding the waterfall and enjoying the sunshine for a bit, we decided to take the trail up into the woods and see what we could find.
Hashtag we're having so much.
All right, so we walked all the way up, but there's nothing here.
Yeah, it's a road.
Just a road.
Pretty.
It is pretty.
Pretty stairs.
After hiking up
Go
and not
slowly,
really
don't
finding
fall.
anything, we decided to hike back down.
Acorns are so little, cute.
They are little.
They're like little baby ones.
Oh,
They're
it is little. Yeah, this is nice.
I always like Rock City because of that.
And it's free. Our hike reminded us of a place in Chattanooga, Tennessee called Rock City. Next, we headed to the observation area and climbed the stairs to see what we could see.
Oh, there's a hole right there. You could slip. Oh, they made it before us. No.
From the top of the observation area, you could see the bottom of the shrine or the shrine area and the parking area. And you could get a glimpse of the waterfall. We enjoyed our short hike to see the waterfall and our first glimpse of springtime. Thanks for watching. We'll keep you posted. Japan.